Do you want to know how to make money uploading photos, even if you're not a professional photographer or anything like that? And do you want to know if Foap is really a legit and good way to do this? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael, and just as many other people, I take a lot of pictures with my phone, and recently I come across this app here that claims that you can earn up to $500 per mission where you just take pictures with your phone and upload them there. So I decided to dig a little bit deeper and look what it really offers, and in this full review here I will give you an inside look, explain exactly how it works, how much you potentially can expect to earn, so you can easily find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So I have now logged into the Foap app here. It's available both through the App Store and through Google Play. So whether you're on Android or an iOS device, you can use it. It's free to join it and sign up. So you just go there and download it if you think this sounds like a relevant option for you after watching this video here. But anyways, once you are inside here, one of the ways, it has several ways to earn, and we'll just go over all of these here. Down here, you can see there's something called missions here. And this is where you potentially can earn really good money. If you scroll down here, you can see, for example, it has $500 in rewards for this particular mission here. I cannot click and show you the exact specifications for each of these missions now here. For privacy reasons, they do not necessarily want me to share these details to people here. So I cannot just go there, but I can say in general, you just click on any of these missions here to find out exactly what it offers. And usually there will be a description about what type of images, how many you need to upload, but you can also see here sometimes there are also video missions here, for example. So then you would need to record a small video here instead. There are types like that, but most of them are with images, photos you need to take of specific things and upload them there. But just be aware that there are different types of missions, because you can see here, if I just scroll here, you can see some of them are called premium missions. And here, those are the ones where you can usually win up to $500 in rewards. Just be aware that this is a total of $500 in rewards. So when you see people claiming, saying that you can get $500, these are usually divided between the different winners, so that's important to understand here. But as mentioned, these ones here are premium missions here. So to join the premium missions, you need to use some coins you can earn in here by doing different things and by watching ads or by uploading photos, doing different small tasks here. So that's important to remember that you need to kind of pay for to participate in the premium missions, but they also have some here that are completely free here. But in this case, for example, the reward is also quite a lot smaller. So that's something to consider. So I would also suggest, if you decide to use this, just start with the free one, see how it goes, learn about how you can potentially win, look at how other people do. And then you can see eventually if you feel like using some of your coins here to go in for the premium missions, then you are more prepared and have a bigger chance of getting a part of the rewards here. Because of course, if you not really know yet how to do it, there's not such a great chance of winning, and then you've just been wasting your coins. But that's one way to earn here. That's one way you potentially can earn really nice, but you can also earn really nice money potentially just by uploading regular photos that do not have any requirements. So let's go over those options next. So if you go here to the menu in the top corner there, you can see there are several different options here. And one of them here is to manage photos. And manage photos means that you can manage your own photos. You can upload any photo you want here, and then you can tag them and give them a title and just have them on your profile. And other users here, people that are looking for pictures to buy, because many people use images for different purposes. It can be businesses, it can be private people, it can be people that has a website or something like that that are looking for images, and they can just look through here, and if they find an image they like, they can buy it. And the price for these images are up to $10, and you will split the earnings with Foap app, so you would potentially get up to $5 per photo you upload here. Just be aware that there are of course no guarantee that anyone will buy an image, and you should not expect to necessarily sell all the images that you've uploaded, but also if you have a really good image, it can also be sold several times. So that's also something to be aware of. If this is something that sounds interesting for you, I would just also encourage you to browse around here. You can see examples of images from other users so you can get some inspiration and see a little bit about what type of images that sell and the quality of them and things like this. So that's one way of earning here, but there's also one more way where you can potentially earn, so let's go over that next. But before going over that, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So just as there's an option called Manage Photos, there's also something called Manage Albums here. And here you can create albums, not just with your own images, but with images of other users here, so other people's images. And you can actually earn by using other people's images in your albums, because if people discover some of your albums and go through and find an image because of that, then you will also get a commission. The person that have initially taken that image will still get the same reward as we talked about before, but because someone found it through your album, you will also potentially get a 25-cent bonus for each of the images that people buy through your albums. So that means that you can potentially earn quite good money if you create a lot of albums, or if people find a lot of good images there. So if you take the time to collect some great albums with really great images, you do not even have to take them yourself, then you can potentially earn 25 cents per image there. So that's definitely a great extra benefit there. Of course, you would need a lot of images to earn good money, but also you do not have to actually take the pictures yourself. So I think that's a pretty cool feature as well here. So you of course also need to know how you potentially can get your earnings. And I've just jumped to the FAQ section on the website itself, and you can see here that depending on whether you use Android or iPhone here, you need to go to the menu there, and then you need to put in your PayPal email address. So they pay out via PayPal. And you can take your earnings out once you have earned $5. So the payout threshold is not too high. And I do like that they pay out via PayPal. But of course, if you do not have a PayPal or are not interested in it, then this is not a way for you to earn. So that's just something you need to be aware of. But let's also just talk a little bit more about whether it will be worth it or not. So overall, I would say that whether Foap is worth it or not really depends on your expectations. It can seem like really easy money at first, but you do need to consider that to take good pictures will require a little bit of practice, but you do not need to be a professional or anything like that. So it is a free way to get started, and then you can see where it goes from there. But also just be aware that even though they say that you can earn $5 per photo, it's up to $10 people will pay for these images. There's no guarantee you will get that for every image sold. And also, just because you upload 100 images, there's no guarantee any of them will be sold. So in that sense, it can take some patience, but once it gets going and once you get some traction, it can be a nice way to earn some extra money if you do like taking great pictures with your phone. And I do like that they have the option for you to also make these albums and potentially also earn when people discover other people's images through your albums. And that also means that if other people use your images, then you will also get more attention like that, and that will increase your chances of earning. But you do need to do it with the right expectations. It's not an easy way to just become rich or make a full-time income by taking images right away or anything like that. It can be a way to earn a little bit extra on the side if you really do like taking images or pictures with your phone anyway. So to sum it all up, Foap is a legit way to make money uploading photos as long as you do it with the right expectations. I do think it can be a fun and interesting way to potentially earn, but you just do need to be aware that it can require some patience. And if you have used it yourself, or if you're starting to use it now, and then please come back here and share your experiences. If you have already used it for months, I would love to hear about it, hear about how many images you have uploaded, how many have you been able to sell, how much have you received per photo, and all this here, so we can see different people's experiences about that. So please just leave a comment below here if you have any experiences at all with Foap yourself. No matter what, I hope that this video here helped you get an overview of how it works and whether this is the right way for you to make some extra money online or not. If it's not the right option for you, then there are many other great free ways to start making some extra money online. I will leave links below here so you can find more information about some great methods that I'm using myself also. So make sure to check that out. You can use them just alone, or you can use them in combination with Foap. That's completely up to you. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.